Always position the steam wand over the drip tray before activating steam mode. After the steam is stable, you will be ready to froth. Put the jug under the steam wand, making sure the wand is at the spout 12 o'clock. Then adjust the wand outlet at about 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock. There is an air hole on the outer wand for frothing more easily, requiring less of the angles and techniques. Turn the knob to off when milk reaches 60 to 65 degrees. Pour steamed milk into espresso. Your drink is ready. Briefly turn steam on for 1 to 2 seconds to flush internal residue. Remove the outer sleeve. Then, wipe both the inner steam pipe and the sleeve clean. After wiping it clean, slide the steam wand cover back on. Your 2 cafe-style drinks are ready. Enjoy!